Hiya, the big question for one who interested study about is accommodation. Because there are many people want to know what is the difference between university accommodation and the private accommodation. So I am going to show you the room of my friends who living in the private accommodation near University of Sunderland. Let's see it.
Welcome to House Accommodation. This accommodation it depends from the accommodation of the university. It's private accommodation. We go to the accommodation by enter password here. Welcome. This is the laundry room. Have to pay, of course, of the laundry and the washing and the dry machine. The washing is £2.50. It's fit for drying. It's £1.50, and it's free to use iron. This room is the gym room. It's closed actually now because they do some service. This is the common room. You can see there are a lot of facilities, billiards, phone table. It's for free. They have mailbox, here TV, and some video games. You can read some books. You can buy some chips, some snack. We have stairs and we have also elevator to use here in the accommodation. Let's go. House it's close to the Tesco supermarket and also to Stadium of Lights. I can to go to Tesco to shop if I want to buy something. This light is automatic light. You can see it's open. Welcome to my room. This is my room. Let's see. Welcome everybody. This is my room. In my room I have some facilities like private bathroom, also small kitchen, cookers and fridge, and beautiful view and table for study. This sofa is not part of the accommodation. I bought it before 2 weeks ago and I bring it to here to the accommodation. Also the TV is not part of the room. I can bring everything from outside. I'm free to bring something to the room. As you see, there are a lot of facilities. Common room, game, the laundry room, big room. All of this only for £97 per week.
Hello, my name is Terry and I come from China. I live in Custom House, and Custom House is an independent accommodation, not from university. This is living room, and I always relax in this room because this room has some game device. This is gym room. Let's stay inside. The gym room have many functions. For example, that machine is for running, and this machine is for read. And also, dumbbell is good for muscle. It is laundry room. It looks very small, but it have a washing machine and a drying machine. If you want to use washing machine, you need to pay £3.5. But the drying machine is free. My accommodation have lift and stairs. Welcome to my room.
Wow!
My room, it have a lot of things in here. For example, it has a bed. It is double size and it's good for sleep. Also have a private kitchen in my room, and I can cook by myself when I'm hungry. This table is for study. My room price is £140 per week. It has a good location. It's located at the city center nearby market, bank, and train station.
Okay guys, you should watch it, the private accommodation for University of Sunderland. So the next time I will show you the university accommodation for you know what is different between university accommodation and the private accommodation.